All right, so here we are, day 9, and she is complete on this side. I've got to just do the final sand in here because I had to mud some stuff in here today, so it's not dry yet. So this is all complete. I'll be going upstairs next week, starting Monday. So this is that ceiling where I had to skim the whole ceiling. I used to have like a really light swirl on it. That's it, finished product. Looks good. I cleaned it up. I flattened it out and I made it smooth anyways. It's not finished, but he can prime it, and now he can do the tile backsplash, and then the cupboards on the top, cupboards on the bottom. So none of that's going to be exposed anyways. Maybe like 6 inches down on the top. That's about it. That's it. And I'm stepping in holes.